has been given to me is fundamental human rights and role of state institutions. And I understand that amongst the audience are judges and some lawyers. When we talk about state institutions, we tend to associate something very extraneous to our system, something distant in Islamabad, something far away that needs to be corrected in order to ensure fundamental human rights. Now, may I submit that when we talk of state institutions, judiciary is an institution. And each member of the judiciary, whether superior judiciary or subordinate judiciary or any kind of judiciary, is the member of the state institution. That you are Pakistan, as member of the judicial fraternity of this country, you are the state institution which has a responsibility to enforce and appreciate fundamental human rights. Each one of you, each judge is a scholar. Each judge is the country. Each judge has the potential to develop a narrative, to develop an interpretation of law based on the facts brought before it. And it has the tremendous flexibility. Each judge, civil judge, session judge, has awesome flexibility to develop legal arguments into any direction it chooses to. And through that it contributes as an institution towards the statecraft. Because each one of you, as I said, is the state itself. You are Pakistan. You are in the service of Pakistan. You don't have to wear a uniform to be in the service of Pakistan. You don't have to be a bureaucrat only to be in the service of Pakistan. You are in the judicial service of the state of Pakistan. So each one of you needs to build its capacity. And what Khilji Saab's Academy is doing here and these scholars are doing here is to build that capacity, so that which enables you to appreciate the file before you in a completely different context. See what is an international law applicable to that. See what is a domestic law applicable to that. See what is the law applicable inter the parties, whether it's a civil matter or a criminal matter or a trial. And that flexibility needs to be used. And apart from the training, the formal training of the academy, nothing is stopping you from building your own capacity, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing is stopping you. In this age that was being referred to, where you have access to computers and Google, you can download talks from the Harvard Law School. You can download talks from people who are teaching at Princeton and Yale and Cambridge and Oxford, and listen to them in your time and enhance your ability to assess the facts and the law.